Organizing a club contest. What does it take? It actually takes quite a bit of planning, preparation, and then execution for it to really be successful. I want to walk you through what does it take to organize a contest in a club, but I can tell you, it takes a lot. So raise your hand, please, if you have participated in a speech contest before, either in our club or in other contests. I don't see all over the screen yet while Philip is editing it, but I think quite a bit of us did. And that's because it takes a lot of participation to make the contest a success. So I will walk you through what it takes to organize it. And then, of course, I will ask for your help participating in the contest so that it can be fun. Reminder, our contest is on February 28th, and we will have both speech contests and evaluation contests. Planning, preparation, and execution, that's the three basic phases for the contest. What does planning involve? You have to learn what are the rules for the contest. You need to assign the key roles, and then you need to define your contest structure. Contest rules. First of all, you need to find out what the contests are. You go to your area director. Thankfully, conveniently, it's Marie Noel. It's very easily reachable, area director, and ask what are the contest dates for the area contest and what the contests are. It could be speech, it could be evaluation, it could be table topics. So we need to find out what the contest actually is, and then Toastmaster International has a rule book for each of the contests that outlines how the content should be conducted, what are the rules for it, and what are the roles for the contest. There is a book for that. After you learn that, you need to assign key roles. The key roles are the organizers of the contest, so the contest chair, the host, very often is the same person or person, and of course, contestants. You have to have contestants to have a good, fun contest. That's what I will be asking you to help with, but also with other roles. After you have these two main roles figured out, the host/organizers and the contestants, then you can move on to the other roles. And there are quite a bit of other roles, actually. You have to have 3 judges for each contest. So if you have 2 contests at once, like we do, the speech and evaluation, you have to have judges for that. For each of them, 3 judges. You have to have a vote counter. You have to have a joke master. How can we go anywhere without a good joke in the beginning of the meeting, even if it's a contest? And there are a few other roles there, but that's the main ones that I just listed. So once you define all the participants for your contest, then you define your contest structure. And that's basically how it will run. Okay, here's your roles. Now you need to understand how it will go, how many contestants do you have? Is the contest online or in person or both? Oh, one other very important role is the surgeon at arms, especially in the hybrid contest. It's very important because one contestant could be on screen, online, and another contestant could be in person. And there are rules where the contestant have to only show up when it's their turn to speak. They cannot sit in the meeting the whole time. So there is a lot of coordination for the surgeon at arms involved. Once you define your structure, you can go into the preparation phase. Oh, I just talked about assign the rest of the roles. So we know who is doing what in the contest. There, the participant needs to know what their role is. The contestant needs to know how the flow of the contest works. Every other participant needs to know what their role is and what their responsibilities. So there are forms that people need to fill out, contestants, other participants, that for contestant, for example, that this is your own speech if it's a contest of the international speech, and so forth. And there are contact, and there are forms for every participant to sign, and there are forms for every participant, almost every participant, to use during the contest that they need to fill out. And then they'll need to sign all these forms, send back to the host, and then the contest is on. There's also a program for the contest, similar to our agenda, but a special one, super special one. And then you actually execute. You close the contest, contestants speak, judges rule on who is the best one for each contest. The vote counter counts the votes. And then we have 2 winners, one for each contest, and they go to the area contest. I will have to provide as the host the results to the area leadership. Again, thank you, Marino, for making it so easy this year. And then they're off for the area contest, which is, by the way, is March 8th, and it's either online or in person in Rockland Library. I will be there helping in person. And this is where I need your help with contestants. We have to have contestants to have really good contests. And we have 1 for sure contestant for speech contest and 1 maybe, who is Rick. And he said he needs to figure out his travel plans. So, and for evaluation, we have just 1 contestant. We need at least 2 for each contest. So please, please volunteer to speak. It is not to make you feel uncomfortable. It is so that we actually have participation and make the contest fun. And it is a lot of fun. And you kind of get to a different flow of the meeting relative to our normal flow of the meeting. Call for action. Yolanda, thank you very much. Rick, did you figure out your traveling plans or still working on it? You're on mute. So are you okay to be a contestant for the speech?
I'm in.
Yay!
Awesome.
Okay. Great job. And for evaluation contest, do we have any other volunteers? Bing.
All
Awesome.
right.
Great. Anybody else raise their hand? Okay. Well, at least 2 is good. I will be reaching out to you again for other roles and possibly to be added to the contestant. But thank you very much, Rick and Bean, for volunteering. Thank you, Brian and Yolanda, for volunteering beforehand. Let's make this contest a success. Thank you all. Looking forward to it.